Hi guys, it's Harvey from All Parts Pool and Spa. Well, we recently became full-timers, RVers, and I've been selling and using LifeFlo. Don't mind my pup shaking her head. Anyway, I've been using LifeFlo. It's a double pass UV light with 2 cartridge filters. Now, Electrolux, about 15 years ago, when I worked for Electrolux, did very well with Electrolux. Don't laugh. Selling vacuum cleaners, I did very well. But anyway, they own the rights to LifeFlo. And I bought the kit for LifeFlo. And it had a jar, and you could put Coke or Pepsi, bleach, whatever in this thing, and it'll come out crystal clear. What I like about it is the UV light, which you can see up there. It's a double pass UV light. So water comes in, it gets captured by UV light, and then it goes through a cartridge pre-filter, then it goes through a real filter, and then it comes back out to the, I have it set up to the refrigerator, ice maker, okay? I mean, I sell these things for RV people that want pure crystal water. Now, if you know anything about RV systems, you have a tank. Using chlorine to wash out your tank is great, but I don't know if everybody knows if you use chlorine, chlorine turns to chloroform and attacks the brain. So LifeFlo takes out 99.9% of the bad stuff, like the bugs that's floating around. So what I have, and I don't have the water lines tied down neatly yet because this is the second week we own this Newmar, okay, which I'm enjoying. But anyway, I want to show you guys the LifeFlo that I have. I have it hooked up to my refrigerator. I bought a Newmar with the option of the refrigerator being inverted. Now, I bought the Newmar with the pure sine wave inverter. Now, I don't know if you guys know, there's pure sine wave inverter and there's chopped inverters. You really need to be careful. I spent the extra money on a pure sine wave inverter because of my computers. But anyway, it is tapped in right into my refrigerator, and I can show you crystal clear, pure water. So I can boondock. I have a 90-gallon tank. We've been boondocking, and I've been, well, don't mind my messy counter. Okay, I absolutely love my salsa maker. I make salsa water. Okay, so I drink a lot of salsa water, carbonated water. I don't usually put lemon or lime juice in it, whatever. But this LifeFlo unit is incredible. I had a house. They used to have a portable unit when I was in Arizona. We're talking 15 years ago. They don't have that anymore. Now they just have the stationary. Now I've been looking. I've been a distributor now for many, many, many years. Selling it at $550 for RV campers. You can't find it on the website for that price. That's delivered to you. You just email me, Harvey at allpartspoolandspa.com, and we'll talk. We'll get a credit card, and it'll be shipped to you. It'll be the best thing you ever do. It does come with a faucet, okay, for your sink. You can drill it in the faucet. And what happens is when you turn on the faucet, it brings water to the unit, comes in and comes back out to your faucet, which is great. But I just wanted to do my refrigerator for ice and water, okay? So we're going to pan off. Now, excuse the mess, okay, because we're in Smith Point. We're just enjoying ourselves. I figured I'd do a quick YouTube and just let you know. I mean, double pass UV light system. Anybody knows about bacteria being killed, you want to do UV light, okay? Especially on water. Okay, so let's go swing to my refrigerator. there is my refrigerator. Heat pumps are running. So now, I just want to show you something, guys. Let's see. Yes, we're on water. I just want to show you this quality of water. I mean, you can hear my pump every once in a while. Hear it cycling? It just stopped. This is coming out of my tank, and I haven't flushed it with any chlorine. This is coming out of my tank. This is the quality of water you get from LifeFlo. Absolutely unbelievable. So I do have ice out of my refrigerator. I do have water out of my refrigerator. I enjoy the LifeFlo unit. Once I bought and enjoying my Newmar, I knew I had to go to the LifeFlo unit. So anyway, guys, there is the LifeFlo unit, $550. All right, everybody else is either selling it for $595 or $695. All right, there is my LifeFlo unit. What I did is made the bigger water. There is a valve over there for the refrigerator. All I did is cut it and loop it over and bring it over. The biggest part that I had to do, because I wanted the light on all the time, I could have did it from the water heater, but unfortunately you either have to be plugged in or run the Jenny. So I wanted the UV light on all the time, so I tapped off the refrigerator, which runs on invert or house current. Not house current, but when you plugged in, or the generator. Okay, if I tapped it into the water heater, she would only turn on when I had 120 volts either plugged in or had the generator running. It won't run the inverter. So I wanted it UV light all the time, so I tapped into the refrigerator. Great little unit. I recommend it strongly. For anybody, but for RVers, I mean, really, guys. Yeah, granted, this is a brand new motorhome. Yeah, granted, this thing has a filter. Look at that water quality. Yeah, baby. Look at that water quality. You just can't beat it. And that's not a pure, clean glass. This is a glass I've been drinking my salsa water out of, and I added a little Coke tonight. So it should have a little brown tinge on the side of the glass. I mean, beautiful, fantastic water. I mean, just fantastic water. Let's see. Go on. Look at that water. I mean, for RV, having that clean of water, yeah, baby. Again, this is Harvey from All Parts Pool and Spa. Just email me at Harvey@allpartspool&spa. Say you're interested in the LifeFlo for $550. Take all kinds of major credit cards, and you can own a LifeFlo unit. Keep in mind, it requires a 120 volt receptacle, water in, water out. Well, you can use the faucet it comes with. Comes with 3 leads. You give the faucet water in and water out, and you'll do that. But I like it for the refrigerator. I mean, just look at that refrigerator. I mean, really, really excellent. I wanted my purified water, and I got my purified water. We are going to be full-time campers, and I wanted my water. Anyway, guys, if you're interested, LifeFlo is the way to go. Take care.